Hi, welcome to the Healthy Life channel. Did you know that more than 10% of the world's population suffers from chronic kidney disease? Our kidneys not only filter toxins from the blood, but also regulate blood pressure and maintain electrolyte balance. Imagine if your kidneys stopped working optimally. The impact could be very serious for your health. But don't worry, there are simple ways to help keep your kidneys healthy. In this video, we will discuss the amazing fruits that you can add to your diet to support optimal kidney function. And here are some fruits that are good for keeping your kidneys healthy. 1. Blueberries. Blueberries are rich in antioxidants, such as vitamin C, vitamin K, and anthocyanins. Antioxidants help fight free radicals that can damage kidney cells and reduce inflammation. The anthocyanins in blueberries have anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation in the body, including the kidneys. Blueberries contain fiber that is good for digestive health and helps control blood sugar levels, which is important for reducing kidney workload. Blueberries also have a relatively low potassium content, making them safe for people with kidney disease who need to control their potassium intake. 2. Apples. Apples contain pectin, a type of soluble fiber that helps lower cholesterol levels and regulate blood sugar levels. This is important for kidney health as high cholesterol and high blood sugar can damage small blood vessels in the kidneys. Apples contain antioxidants such as quercetin and vitamin C that help protect kidney cells from oxidative damage. Apples have a low potassium content, making them safe for consumption by people with chronic kidney disease who need to control their potassium intake. Apples also have a high water content, helping to keep the body hydrated, which is essential for optimal kidney function. 3. Strawberries. Strawberries are a good source of vitamin C, which acts as an antioxidant and helps repair tissues. Manganese in strawberries plays a role in carbohydrate, amino acid, and cholesterol metabolism, as well as in bone formation and wound healing. Strawberries contain antioxidants such as anthocyanins and quercetin that protect the kidneys from oxidative damage and inflammation. Strawberries also have a low potassium content, making them safe for those who have kidney problems and need to limit potassium intake. The fiber in strawberries can help control blood sugar levels and improve digestive health, which contributes to overall kidney health. Eating blueberries, apples, and strawberries regularly can provide a range of health benefits for the kidneys. These fruits are not only delicious, but also rich in essential nutrients that support kidney function, fight inflammation, reduce oxidative stress, and help maintain electrolyte and fluid balance in the body. This video is for educational purposes only. If this video is useful, don't forget to like and subscribe so as not to miss other videos.